on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our small contracts project. Let's have a look at what we're going to be going over today. And today we're back inside our Web3Py favorites module, and we're still in the project introduction section of the module. So let's have a look at what we're going to be going over today. Yesterday we installed the Anvil package into our actual, well, we didn't install it. We went over the process of how we installed it. And today we're going to go over a little bit more information on that process and know what we're going to be doing moving forward. So as soon as this pulls up, we can start some light reading, and then we can move forward with the actual video for today. So now we can check to see if the Anvil package is installed by using the following command. We'll say Anvil version, which I'll show you in a second when we're done reading. This will show us the versions of the Anvil package that is installed in our package or our project. If everything is correct, supposed to be is, we should see the following output: Anvil version 1.1.0 stable. This means that the Anvil package is installed and we are ready to start using it in our project. In this section, we'll be going over the process of working with the Anvil package and how to use it to create a new test network. We will start by running the Anvil command in the terminal. This will create a new test network and it will start running in the background. I'm not going to do too much more reading because I'm going to go over this process with you tomorrow of how we're actually going to use it. Right now, I just want to show you how we're going to test and see that it's actually installed. So we're going to come back over here to our actual folder here. And this isn't the actual folder that we have it in. This is one of our test projects folders. I'm just going to show you that it is installed globally so we can access it from anywhere we have it in our folder. So we're going to say Anvil. And we're going to say version. And that should, as you can see here, we have 1.1.0 stable, commit SHA, build timestamp, and build profile. So this is everything. Let us know that Anvil is successfully installed. We have the package. And then remember, we didn't actually install Anvil itself. We started with the Foundry, and then we did the Foundry roundup. And that actually gave us access to the Anvil package. So that's that. So tomorrow we're going to move forward and we're going to actually start implementing it. And I can show you how we actually use Anvil, and we're going to use it as a test network instead of the Sepolia test network that we've been using. So stay tuned for that. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, this is the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.